Here is how to change language in Apex Legends. The process is different for every platform. If you play on Xbox or PlayStation, you can skip this entire process by just launching your game, going to the settings, and under the system section, you will find language, and from there, you can change the language that you want. For PC, what you have to do is close your game and open up Steam. Once you're in Steam, head to your library and find Apex Legends. After that, you right-click Apex Legends and go to Properties. And here, under the General tab, you can see Language, and you can see that by default, it is set to English. Here you can click the drop-down arrow and select the language that you want. So let's try Japanese. Close this. It will update to download the sound packs and the language packs. Once the data packs are done downloading, you can just press play and wait for the game to launch. And as you can see here, in the loading screen itself, the language is Japanese. So let's test out some of the quips or voice lines from different legends.
敵を発見したらしっかり仕留めなさい。光のショーを見せてあげる。かかってきなさい。動かなければ死ぬだけ。
And that is how you change language in Apex Legends.